So as I hit the streets and searched for creators in the city last Saturday, I stumbled across the Atlanta Underground Market, and I gotta say I was blown away by all they had to offer, even the small business creator by the name of DryerBuzz.
All right, welcome in. Hey, welcome to Atlanta, to this underground farmers market. I'm Yolanda. I'm your neighborhood soap maker. I make the handmade bath and shower soaps, and of course we are debuting our new summer former body butters. They do not melt in Atlanta summer. Alright, and of course we have got your standard cucumber melon. I've got high tea, got berry, and we're debuting the new seaside vibes. If you're not on vacation yet, you're gonna feel like you're on vacation. You can definitely come and check us out.
Now Yolanda was nice enough to give me a sample for Seaside Vibes. As soon as I popped open the lid, the scent took me back to the South Florida beaches, and it expeditiously reminded me I need to be on somebody's beach with a mojito in one hand and conch salad in the other. If you know, you know.